Want to pair a Bluetooth device like headphones or a fitness tracker with your iPhone, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to pair a Bluetooth device with your iPhone. Now let's get started. To pair a Bluetooth device with your iPhone, first open your settings. Then select Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled. If it's not, tap the switch at the top to enable it. Now, make sure the Bluetooth device you're trying to connect is powered on and discoverable. Your Bluetooth device may have a specific button to activate pairing mode, or you may have to hold down another button if there's no specific pairing button. If you're not sure how to do this, try typing in your device name and "how to pair" into Google to figure out how to put it into pairing mode. Once you've done so, you should see your Bluetooth device show up in the list of Bluetooth devices on your screen. Tap the Bluetooth device's name to pair it with your iPhone. Now you can use your Bluetooth device with your iPhone. If you're having trouble connecting your Bluetooth device with your iPhone, make sure it's powered on and fully charged, it's close enough to your iPhone that it's within range to be connected, and that it's not already connected to another device, like your computer. When you're done using your Bluetooth device and want to disconnect it, power off the Bluetooth device you've connected. When you turn it back on the next time you want to use it, it should reconnect to your iPhone automatically. That's all it takes to pair Bluetooth devices with your iPhone. Trying to locate an AirTag? Check out this tutorial to learn how. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.